Hello, today I'm going to show you how to put together the cat and dog stocking box from Simply Crafty SVGs. First I want to show you the cat version. It's the same box, just one you just put the fish on for the cat and the bone on for the dog. So first, I didn't make this perfectly round. I wanted the box to be a little bit simpler, so we're just going to score or fold on the score lines. The first thing I'm doing is the box, and that comes with those two panels that have no curves. So once you get them all folded, you just want to add glue to that little tab on the side there. And then we're going to match up the edge of the other piece and just make sure that the tabs are in the same direction. It's hard to go wrong on this one. Just make sure you have the box will be a deeper than the lid. So we're going to put glue on the other side. And you can't put it flat because of the shape, but you can line up the opposite edge and then align it to the tab fold. And just to show you, you can see how it's shaped, that top part right there, and then that goes in. So that first piece with the two sections are the left and bottom, and you'll probably want to dry fit it, make sure you have it in the right direction before you start gluing. So I'm just going to glue just an edge once, the left edge. Again, just make sure it's situated properly in there before you start gluing. And I'm just anchoring this. I use a little too much glue on this first tab, so I adjusted it going forward, so just be careful with that. So it is the same box, but it is you just changed up based on whether you need it for cat or dog, so you can put some gifts in there. So I'm gonna flip those tabs up in the bottom there. I'm just gonna get some glue. So I do have that little towel there because it was a wet paper towel. It'll be easier. I was fumbling a little bit today. I'm going to flip them back, and we're just going to add glue to these tabs. And I'm going to do a couple to start with. You can do them all at once. It's just a matter of getting them in place. Okay, so I did them all at once. It must have been another life that I thought I did them. Yes, I do record my audio after the fact. So you kind of scooch them into place. So I'm just pushing them in so it meets the edge of the panel. So the tab fold meets the edge of the panel. And we'll do this again, the same exact process for the lid. It really isn't that difficult. It's just sometimes I'm not always perfect with my assembly on the videos. So that's the bottom part. And then we just want to put this panel on the bottom to hide the tabs. Sometimes I don't really mind whether the tabs are showing, but for this one it kind of gives it additional stability too on the bottom. And since we're putting a panel on the top, I just thought it would go together better. It just cleans it up. Since we only give Christmas gifts to pets once a year, like they would care. My dog would know if there's a bottom. Anyways, we're going to do the top the same way. Again, the first piece has two panels on it. It's going to be the opposite. So it's going to be going the other way when we're putting together because it's the lid. So we're going to put them together again, glue them like we did the other ones. So we're just gluing it to make it one piece. So lining up that edge to the tab fold. And then flipping it over. And I'm sure let's hit the camera. Fortunately, you probably don't have to deal with that, so And go ahead and line that other edge up. And then what we'll do the same thing where we anchor one portion. So I'm kind of folding where I know the bend is. Or at least, yeah, I believe that's where the bend is. You can tell once you put it in. If you have it wrong, it won't go together. So right there, I don't have it in there right. Had to flip it over because I told you it was opposite. I just forgot it was opposite. So that piece, it really doesn't matter about the textured side or anything, but the file will be set up so if you put it in, the texture side, there on my head a little bit there, the texture side will should be up. And so I'm anchoring that one side again, and you can see all the others are not attached yet. Get you in view. So for this one I did only 2 tabs because I wanted to go around slowly. So just did the top and the other side, and then we'll finish out the other remaining tabs. If I made it round, it would have taken a little bit longer, but the same concept. I just wanted to make, a lot of times I get feedback that my I need to go a little simpler, so thus the name Simply Crafty SVGs. So we're finishing off this lid and just making sure those sides are adjacent. The sides are, the actual folds, the tab folds are sitting against the edge of the panel. And then you see it goes over like that. But now we just have to add that top panel, or top piece. So that lines up perfectly on the top, but let's go ahead and put that little middle decorative panel on. Then I'll add the bone and the top of the stocking after I attach it. I just don't want anything bulky up there while I'm attaching it. So don't add glue to the back of the panel because the panel is bigger than the box. So go ahead and add glue to that, and that'll line up on the top. So just line it up on the top, and it'll line up on each of the sides right here, the left and right. And then it doesn't line up on the bottom. That's where your shape is. Then we'll just add a double-sided sticky foam tape to pop this up a little bit. So you want it just a little bit over the top edge, so it looks like the top of a stocking. And then the bone is slightly arched one way. That's the way you want it. But so there we go. We want this way. You can put it on really any way you want. You can put it up and down if you want it. That's it. Pretty simple design, easy to put together, and I hope you get some use out of it. Thank you for watching.